Welcome to Life Skills. I'm Saujanya. Well, today's topic is something that is really interesting for the kids, especially. Well, today's topic is about the board game called Anger Game. This will be quite interesting for the kids to play whenever they are free, and this game will be quite useful to control their anger. So, children, what is meant by anger? And how you need to control yourselves at some situations that makes you feel so angry, and how you need to pacify yourselves. Well, this video will be quite interesting, and this video will also teach you how to play the anger game. So first of all, let me tell you the meaning of anger. What is meant by anger? It is an intense displeasure, hostility, or an emotional response to a provocation which is undesired and incompatible with one uncertain values. Yet, it is just like other emotions like happiness, excitement, joy, sorrow, etc. Yet, if one is experiencing it in severity, they must know how to manage their anger as it might be a red flag already. Well, let me tell you the causes of anger. It might be because of some past experiences, it might be because of some certain circumstances that caused you embarrassment in public. And when you recollect all those past experiences and circumstances that led to a little bit embarrassment, that leads to anger. And there are some effects of anger as well. It leads to heart palpitations and it leads to anxiety and stress that makes you feel so sick. So, in order to reduce your anger, this game is especially for you. So, let us start. Do you want your children to be in a situation like this? No parent will wish their child to be in a situation that makes them feel so angry or that makes other feel so embarrassed because of their, behavior. Mostly if children are angry, they'll just scream or yell or throw things at others who are near them. And it hurts a few people and it also causes a little bit embarrassment. So no parent will wish their child to be in that certain situation, right? So this game is quite helpful for the kids and as well for your children. So let's teach them to pacify anger at right age. Children can't avoid bad situations, but they can be taught to control how to react to them. It's common that we all go through some bad experiences and some bad situations, we cannot avoid them. It just happens. So, in order to control ourselves and in order to be stable in such kind of situations, we need to learn those. Learning those from childhood will become so beneficial in the future as well when they grow to an adult. Children will learn to stop and reflect and to become an emotional intelligent person. What is causing anger? This game will tell them what is causing them anger and how to control their anger in such situations. What is the best outcome for my situation? What are the possible outcomes that to reduce anger? How do emotions affect the people care about? And how emotions, affect the other people who are around them when they are so angry, and how it causes hurt to the other people. Well, this game will answer all these questions while playing. This game will be so effective to the children that it makes them feel what is causing them angry and how to pacify themselves in some certain situations. First ever angry board game. So let us come to this game. So this game has some certain rules and regulations. Let me tell you the few guidelines of the anger game. It is a great way to help kids learn to handle their anger better through play. The board game introduces players to different coping mechanisms to deal with anger through a fun game. The kit helps you introspect the cause of your anger and figure which underlying emotions might have led to an outburst. Kids need to learning how to manage their anger. These anger management tips guide kids to understand that anger is normal and to learn they can express it in healthy ways. Well, the game teaches them how to recognize anger in themselves and others, how to handle situations and emotions, loneliness, guilt, frustration, fear that lead to or mask anger, and how to deal with the anger they feel. Just see the importance of this game as I told you just now, and just see the beneficial factors about this game. It addresses children's exposure to discussion and examples of anger. They also discover what to do when people around them are angry. This is an anger game. The game has been divided into 5 types: quiz deck, angry bird deck, true or false, anger deck, case study. Well, let me tell you how to play this game. Each player puts their counter on the space that says start here. As you can see in the picture, there's a box that says start here. It means that you need to start from here by rolling your dice. Take it turns to roll the dice. Move your counter forward the number of spaces shown on the dice. Basing on the number, when you throw the dice, the number it displays, you need to move your dice as per it. And while on the particular column, pick the card of that color and do as written on card. Well, as you throw your dice, you know there will be some certain cards in it. Well, you need to pick a card and you need to do exactly what is written on that card. If the card says take deep breaths and start from 1 to 10 counting. Well, first of all, you need to take a deep breaths like inhale and exhale. And if the second card says that you need to count from the numbers 1 to 10, so you need to count slowly. You know, this helps us to control your anger, and this will also be like a quite playful experience to you all. And let us go to this next slide. Decks. Children learn to recognize anger. Because of these decks, children will try to recognize their anger. Why is causing them angry? Situations in which they are angry. Learn anger control methods. This will also helpful to learn the methods about the anger. Well, anger deck. You know, whenever basing on the dice, if a child throws the dice and whatever the number displays, if it falls on the anger deck, then the parents need to communicate with the child and help them understand what is making them angry basing on the certain situations. The parents need to communicate with their child, where the communication between the parents and the children will also improve through this anger deck. This will be helpful, and they need to tell about their experience and they need to tell what is making them angry so that to pursue their anger in the next coming situations in future. Well, this is about the anger deck. And let me cover the true or false. In this true or false, the child, the parents need to pose a question to the children like, do you feel anger when a parent refuses to let them do a certain thing? True or false? Then the child will say true or false basing on it. That I already covered the anger deck and the true or false deck and the cards that you need to pick whenever the number displays when a child throws the dice. Well, these are the steps to follow, and they will learn what to do when they are angry. And the message that this game indirectly conveys to the child is don't throw a tantrum. Tantrum means scream. The child will reduce it. Keep my hands to myself. If the kid keeps their hands to themselves, so it reduces them throwing things at some certain people when they're feeling so angry. Walk away from what's making them angry. It makes them walk away from the things that is causing them anger again. Count to 10. When they start counting from 1 to 10, it makes them feel a little bit relaxed from the anger. Reflect on why I am angry. Think about how can I solve the problem. They need to think about how to solve some certain situations in future if the same situations arise just like these. Ask for help if they need it. They can ask the help of adults or parents if they want, because they will give some good advices to control their anger. And in the 66th episode of the radio program Man Ki Baat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked about importance of indoor board game subheading. I think you all know about the Man Ki Baat, where our Prime Minister will address a few important topics to the citizens in our country. PM Modi appeals startups to revamp DC board games to promote staying indoors during COVID-19. You know, in this pandemic situations, Once our Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Mann Ki Baat program, he addressed about the importance of indoor games. I think you all heard about it from him. And showcase traditional Indian indoor games in new attractive avatar PM Narendra Modi. As you can see these pictures, these are the articles about him when he addressed about the importance of the indoor board games in our country. Just see the importance. Learning to manage anger can be difficult, but it's definitely achievable. You know, we all go through different kinds of bad circumstances and bad situations, but we cannot control our anger. It's quite impossible, but you need to try a lot. Board games help reinforce lifelong skills such as time and energy management, independence, and creative thinking. Well, if you start controlling your anger at an early age, then definitely it will be quite beneficial for you in future when you become an adult. And you will be quite good and your personality will be the coolest. And let me tell you the examples of few celebrities. You know, Virat Kohli, who is one of the greatest cricketers in our country and who is well known to the world. Sometimes he feels so angry and he, yells at the media people or whoever near him. You know, it causes him a little bit embarrassment, but he will always try to control his anger by drinking some water. So just take the example of him. But he controls in that way, but we can notice him in several social media, which is covered around him. And let us take the example of Kapil Sharma, who is one of the greatest comedians. Well, you can also observe him in some television, channels where he always tries to control his anger at that time, which is causing him. So, in order to avoid it, he will just try to drink some water. And one of the coolest personalities I can take as an example is Dhoni, who is one of the greatest cricketers in our country. He is known for his coolest personality, and mostly many people will adore him because of his personality, especially because he won't express his anger. If anyone poses a question to him that will cause a little bit embarrassment or it is very hard to answer, he will just express the answer in a very coolest manner. You can take the example of him, you can adore him as well. Just see the importance of anger. By playing this game, definitely you will try to reduce your anger and definitely you will try to control it by playing it whenever you are free. You can take the help of the adults as well playing this. Well, these are the steps and the guidelines and the rules I have covered in this video, and you all enjoyed this video, and I think you will be, you will show so much of interest to play the game, right? So let's end up this video. Well, thank you for watching. Well, I'm Saujanya. Thank you and have a nice day.